Hello and welcome to this lesson. So congratulations on reaching this far. I know you have taken your time and studied everything you've outlined in this course. I just wanted to actually outline the next steps that you want to take actually after completing this tutorial. So essentially you want to go to my website, and which is pipstak.com. So when you get to my website, what you want to do is you go and enroll on the complete course. So this is the complete course I'm referring to. So when you get to my website, this will be the course which will be available here. So you want to go actually to this course and you want to enroll. So I actually have a special offer on this page, or on this lesson actually, that I'm going to show you just shortly. So actually the difference between this course, this complete course, and what you find in other places that I've published is essentially you'll get that this course is a complete course. This is actually a full course that includes every strategy that I've ever taught, and it also includes everything that will show you exactly what you need actually to be successful in forex trading. So essentially what you want to do once you get to this page, or rather the website, you want to click on this offer. So you'll find the offer available. Then when you click on that offer, actually it will take you to the checkout page. So I'm going to show you shortly actually the offer I'm referring to. And essentially when you get here, if you're not already logged in, you want to fill in your details. Make sure you create your account also. And then under actually this section here, do you have a coupon? This is a special offer I've just mentioned. What you want to do is insert the coupon save 15 off. So this offer actually is only available on this page. So you'll not see it anywhere else. So this offer is available here, and then you can go ahead and enroll. Choose your payment method, as a debit or debit card, or even maybe using PayPal, whichever you prefer. And then you can go ahead and enroll, and I'll see you in the course. So essentially the next thing you want to do actually is go to my YouTube channel, which is at Pipstak. And you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then in this channel I actually will be publishing a lot of content that will guide you. I'll also be doing analysis that will also be a guide actually on how now you can develop into a better trader through live markets. So essentially those are the things that you want to really make sure that you're doing, because now from there now we can, once you join the community, we can actually look at what the markets do every single week, and it will all be included in this channel. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.